Today we'll be making a bottle cap fishing lure. First you'll need fishing string, bottle cap of your choice, a hook, be a treble hook, doesn't matter to me, a barrel swivel, something to cut your line with, such as a nail clippers, and hammer, a nail. First, you will take your bottle cap, your nail, and you will puncture a hole below the logo. So that's your first hole. Now you will go directly across from the logo, from the last hole, and you will make the next indent. So now you have two holes, right, one across from the other. Now you will take your fishing string and you will cut a piece about 1 foot long. And I already have mine pre-cut. And then you will you would feed the string, and you will feed it through the top. You will start from the outside, and you will feed it through the other hole from the inside. If you need to, you can make your hole a little bigger. Mine just happens not to be big enough. And then you will continue feeding your string through your bottle cap. Now your bottle cap is on. Now you will take your hook, treble hook, like I said, it doesn't matter to me, and you want to put it on the string that's below the logo. Then you will feed it back through the outside. So now that is on.
And we'll be back for part 2.